welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make some slime. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing you will need is clear glue or white glue. I only have clear glue, so that's kind of what I have to use, but yeah. There we go. That should be a good amount. And now I'm going to add food coloring. I have neon and primary colors. I think I'm going to do neon blue for mine. So I'm just going to open this. And then there's blue there. I can't tell the difference between them, but I'm going to do a light blue. So oops, 2 drops went in there. Dang it, I'm going to have blue fingers now because the cap is leaking. And I'm not going to be making fluffy slime today. Actually, I'm going to add some glitter. Where's the opening? It's a very small opening. Where's the thick opening? Here it is. Okay. That definitely overflowed with glitter. Okay, oh, dang it. Okay, can I have my spoon? And my cousin and brother are in the background, so yeah, you should, I'm going to be making a video of them tonight as well after me, so you guys should definitely check that out when I post it. Now they're high-fiving each other in the background for no reason. You know, this is... What is happening? You don't even know why you're laughing.
Yeah.
Boys. Girls are cool.
Boys are stronger.
Sure. Boys are stronger. Okay, now I'm adding some activator. Oh yes, this is, okay, all the borax is at the bottom. And oh, for my activator, I'm using borax and water. You can use detergent or baking soda and whatever you call it.
Laundry detergent, really?
Yeah, and baking soda and eye drops.
The whole kettle.
You seem confused about that laundry detergent thing. That is laundry detergent. Borax is laundry detergent. You know what? Now I'm just pouring it in. Still not coming together. Hand me the box. Give me the borax. Yeah, you're not very good at this.
So I am just doing it in
And guys, I'm wearing my PJs right now. I've been wearing them all day, so like, don't judge. The PJs are the bomb. Now he's making a chance about me.
I have 2. You're going No, I'm not.
Okay, I need to add more of this. Finally, it's coming together. And they're making awkward noises in the background, which is ruining it all. But seriously, dude, like, stop. Dude, stop. Comment down below if you have annoying siblings and cousins. And they're trying to come in the video. You know what? Just do it. Just come in. Hi, peeps!
Ben?
Brother. Cousin. And that is the weirdest video I have made in my life. And no, you know, I'm just going to start kneading it with my hands. Okay, stop.
Okay.
Seriously.
Help.
Okay, this is definitely not the best slime I've ever made. But, it's okay. It's very glittery. Feels very chalky and It's not that.
I know it's
stretchy.
very sharp.
All right, will you guys stop?
Very.
I'm gonna ruin your video.
Well,
Hey, it's my channel. I can come in your video at any time. Shouldn't have done that. Now I'm gonna ruin your video. So, definitely, like, this is a slime fail. It is.
yeah, well, I'm adding you, so you fail. You're such a fail.
Thanks. Now everyone's gonna call me a failure. You know, just comment down below. Just like tell me I'm a failure because I know that's gonna happen because you just said it.
No, I didn't.
So now everyone's gonna call me a failure down in the comments below. This is horrible. Stop.
Stop, she didn't beat the spoon at all.
It's still very sticky. So, just gonna put it in the bowl. Do that, and then mix it around.
Put it in the bowl.
And then just mix it. Mix it, mix it, mix it. Squash it, squash it, squash it, squash it. And, oh, my arms are getting tired. Dude, you're just trying to make noises.
No.
No, like, this is seriously the worst slime ever. But thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, comment down below, subscribe, like, and share. Bye.